Racer AaronJayjack, and I am here in Hickory Ridge, Arkansas with a tornado-warned supercell just to my west here, about 12 to 13 miles, moving to the northeast at 50 miles per hour, so fast-moving supercell here. I have been watching radar, and it does look like there was potentially a tornado on the ground briefly a moment ago, but my plan is to track the storm just to the north towards Jonesboro, Arkansas. Jonesboro is now in the secondary tornado warning that's put down ahead of the storm. Power flash! Tornado warning currently approaching Albert Lamb, Minnesota. Strong winds blasting through Albert Lamb, Minnesota. Christmas decorations up. Mid-December in Minnesota here. Tornado warnings are just going. Sirens are just going.
Follow MyRadar on social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Download MyRadar on iOS, Android, Amazon Alexa, Xbox, and Windows.